Hey, what is going on, everyone? Thank you for stopping by to watch another episode here at All I See Is W. Well, today I just wanted to share with you some tickers that are bull running right now, right after me previously making some videos on it. So wanted to share with you some hot stock picks right now. So with Riot Blockchain, RIOT, it's up by like 35% right now. And I was recommending this ticker early on when it was like in the single digits. It ramped all the way up to like mid 70s, and now it's back up to the $50 range. I was saying that it will reach up to its prior resistance, given the fact that we anticipate Bitcoin to be running up to like 100,000 per coin. So that's why RIOT is a value add play, this New York based company. And let's not ignore what it can do for you, because it can ramp up to mid 70s up to like about 100. So that's my takeaway with Riot Blockchain. Now, the second ticker on my list right now that's ramping up is Skye Bioscience by the ticker SKYE. What's so unique about this company? It's a biotechnology company based out in San Diego, working on a prodrug that's bioengineered with support from University of Mississippi to come out with a drug that is intended to be used on glaucoma patients who are dealing with blindness. Now, we know just recently this week, the company has announced 2 new scientific board members with extensive years of experience in natural medicine, chemistry, physiology, immunology, and now they're part of the scientific board member to add to its strong scientific board already. We know there's Stanford, there's Mount Sinai board members on its committee to support its prodrug THC VHS, as well as also soon to be researching CBD VHS to see what other intended use it can tap into. Now, today the company did announce its strategic direction with its main focus at the Haynes Wright Conference Life Science event, and that just was able to expose to a wide range of different audiences, and I anticipate there are more investors in this space, and that's why Skye Bioscience is number 2 on my list today. It's like hovering close to like 30% right now. Next ticker I wanted to share with you is Tesla, TSLA. Well, this company had gone from like the high 900s down to like the low 500s, and today it's bull running close to like 20%. We know this is like one of the best stocks you can invest into, and like what I was mentioning previously in my prior videos, whenever you have one of the top companies at a low price point, you want a dollar cost average down, or let's say if you are a new investor, take advantage of the price point. And that's why today it's gone up by like over $100 per share, 20% in gains. So Elon Musk is one of the top CEOs out there. We know that, and he's sending satellites all around the world. So why can't you have faith in this company, right? I mean, you ask anyone on the street, what do you like about your Tesla? You'll get like 20 comments versus like someone who owns like a Ford, and you ask, what do you like about your Ford car? You won't get the same answers. Now, next ticker I wanted to share with you is Inovio Pharmaceuticals by the ticker INO. Today, the share price has gone up close to like 10%. This is looking positive, because right now I feel like the current share price is totally undervalued, getting close to the $10 threshold. I firmly believe with phase 3 approval of its VGX vaccine platform for anal dysplasia, that can ramp this company all the way up. And the fact that we heard there's news where Quagen will be working with Inovio Pharmaceuticals, that just tells you that there's the vaccine in place and there's a partnership with Quagen for biologic diagnostic testing. So that just tells you that Inovio is a reputable company, along with its 15 immunotherapy DNA vaccines. It's also partnering up with AstraZeneca to develop monoclonal antibodies using its DMAP technology, because we know in years to come, there will be vaccines that are needed to support all these different viruses that's mutating out in this world. From a share price standpoint, I definitely feel like it can ramp up to the mid 30s, back to its prior resistance, before it starts hovering up to like $80 per share price in the long run. Let's not lose sight of what Joseph Kim can do for you. Next ticker I wanted to share with you is a biotechnology company based out in Texas, and that's iBio, led by CEO Tom Isett. What's so unique about this company? Well, today the share price is up by like 7%. It's working on multiple vaccines leveraging plant technology using its fast farm technology. For the fibrosis iBio 100 series, there's a COVID-19 vaccines using EVOP platform, as well as subunit protein iBio 200 series, as well as the swine flu that's already in clinical trials, which is the platform iBio 400. Now, we know that the company has about 30 positions it's hiring at this time, and that just tells you that the company is beginning to scale up to establish economies of scale. We know that its clinical program has been revamped. We know its finance program has been revamped with directors coming from large-scale companies. So we know that over time, the share price can start hovering up to its prior resistance. I firmly believe $7 is close, and it can start going up to like the mid $30 in the long term. I'm saying like possibly in 2022 onward, that's when it can ramp up to the mid 30s. Now, why do I like iBio so much? Well, this is like one of the only companies that's leveraging plant-based technology to advance medical unmet needs for all these diseases that we have. Look at Canada with Medigago, a plant-based vaccine company that's highly praised in Canada. And when you look in the United States, iBio is like the only one that's monopolizing this sector with plant-based technology. And that's why I firmly believe that this company can add value in the long run for what it's doing. And let's say once it does get product approval on one of its vaccines in the long run, then in terms of operations, the cost for producing its drug product is very minimal in terms of operational expense. And the fact that it's working with University of texas&m, that just tells you there's just so much partnerships and large-scale scientists working to enhance the program at iBio. So let's not lose sight of what Tom Isaac can do for you, because I firmly believe that the share price can ramp up to its prior resistance in the near term, and in the long term get into the double-digit share price range. So overall, I just wanted to make this video to share with you my highlights on videos, tickers I previously just shared with you, and I hope that you listened and capitalized on some positive proceeds, because in 2021 we're here to gain on positive proceeds and lead with an altruistic mindset. Well, once again, thank you so much for watching another episode here at All I See Is W. Thank you all. Have a good day. Bye.